God, there are a lot of people. There's so many people behind me.
갈아줄까?
Yes, please. Okay, no, a little bit more to this side. And stop. Perfect.
마이크 좀 가까이 대. 시끄러워.
No, just sit here and put it on your head. Sit right here.
가까이 와서 이렇게 잡고 있어. 아니야, 니네 잡아야 돼. 떨어져 뒤로. 그렇게 잡고 있어.
Okay. I don't care.
말해봐, 소리 잘 들리나?
La la la. Hi, I'm Dolly, but you can call me Dabz. This is the 97th book review in my 100 Books 2018 challenge. Today I'm reviewing The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. So before I start this book review, right now we're at the Hemingway House, which is the house that Hemingway lived in, obviously. And fun fact is that at this at the Hemingway house, there are 56 cats. So, when we're in the Hemingway house, there was a lot of information about Hemingway. Like he met Pablo Picasso, which is an author that an artist that I really like. Oh my God, there's a cat. And that he liked to hunt, fish, and to write books, and
I'm leaving today.
other stuff. Yeah. So this book is about a strange old man who is fishing, and he is very unlucky when he's fishing. So, and this is his 85th day streak, being unlucky while fishing. And this book is about this old man and his journey and his battle against this fish to catch this fish and bring it home. So I think that this book was okay. It was kind of slightly dull to me because I think it's written for more older. Like if you're older, then you might have a different perspective on it. Like when you're my age, you might think that it's kind of boring, but then when you're older, you might think of it in a different way, if that makes sense. So this book, if you like fishing, you might enjoy it because in this book it's about fishing, and also there's fishing like terms and words that I didn't know, but other than that there aren't any hard words. Yeah. So this book also won the Nobel Prize for Literature and the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction. So I think that that's cool. I don't know, I didn't write anything about that. I just said. So that'll be the end of my book review. If you like this video, please like this video. And while you're down there, please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Is that it?
글 쓰고 그런데 좀 있겠지. 저기 타이프라이터. 거기 도 유행이더라. 진짜 저거.
음.